Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy cryptocurrency on eToro. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of purchasing crypto using the eToro platform. If you're new to both cryptocurrency and eToro, don't worry. We will make it easy to understand. First, make sure you have an eToro account. If you don't have one, head over to the eToro website and sign up. You will need to provide some personal information and verify your identity as part of the registration process. Once your account is set up and verified, you can move on to adding funds to your account. Click on the Deposit Funds button, choose your preferred payment method, and enter the amount you want to deposit. Keep in mind that there are minimum deposit requirements depending on your location. After funding your account, you're ready to buy cryptocurrency. Go to the eToro platform and search for the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital currency available on the platform. Once you find it, click on the Trade button. In the trading window, you can select the amount you wish to invest, review the details, and then click on Open Trade to finalize your purchase. Congratulations! You have successfully bought cryptocurrency on eToro. You can manage your investments in the portfolio section of the platform. Make sure to keep an eye on the market and your portfolio to make informed decisions in the future. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.